We were in Minneapolis, and Chavo goes, "You know what happened, right?" I said, "No, what happened?" It was Eddie passed away, and I just froze.
My wife was listening to her messages, and I just heard her scream. And she looked at me, she said, "Eddie's dead." It took a minute, and then I broke down, and I just couldn't stop crying.
November 13th, 2005, a day long remembered, as it was the day Eddie Guerrero, proud father, husband, and beloved WWE superstar, tragically passed away.
Pretty much everybody was dressed in black. You wouldn't believe what was going on. It was a dark day, really, real dark day for everyone, and it was very depressing.
The whole building, and everybody, the crew, the wrestling, the audience, everybody was just devastated.
It was extremely hard, you know, because I did just lose one of my best friends. My brother, my partner, my confidant, my teacher. But I just can't compare it to what his wife and kids lost.
Eddie truly loved everyone. You know, with his heart, he'd give the shirt off his back for anyone that was in the locker room. And to know that he was loved so much, I know that he truly saw his worth after he passed away. I know that he feels everyone's love for him.